Piraeus is a bustling port city of Athens and a major gateway to the Greek islands. Known for its maritime history and ferry terminals, it is a great place to stay before or after island hopping. The city offers a wide variety of hotels from affordable stays near the port to upscale seaside resorts. Here are the top 10 hotels in Piraeus that provide excellent comfort, convenience, and service for every kind of traveler. The first one is the Alex Monte Castella. The stylish boutique hotel sits in the upscale neighborhood of Castella overlooking the sea. Rooms are modern with clean aesthetics and the rooftop restaurant offers panoramic view of the Saronic Gulf. It is a short drive from the port and perfect for a relaxing stay. Rates usually range from €100 to €150 per night. The second one is Phidias Piraeus Hotel, one of the best rated hotels in the area. Phidias offers free shuttle service to the port and cruise terminals. Rooms are compact but spotless and modern, located close to marina and shopping area. A great choice for travelers catching early ferries. Price range from 60 to €90 per night. The third one is Piraeus Theazenia Hotel. This is a luxury 5-star hotel located just a few minutes from the main port. It features spacious rooms, elegant interior, and a full service restaurant. Ideal for business travelers or couples seeking comfort before travel. Room typically costs between 120 to €160 per night. The fourth one is Savoy Hotel Piraeus. This long established hotel blends comfort with affordability. It is known for its warm hospitality and convenient location close to both the port and the city center. Rooms are well equipped with classic decor. Rate falls between 70 to €100 per night. The fifth one is Triton Hotel Piraeus. Just a 2-minute walk from the ferry terminals, Triton Hotel is ideal for short stays. The rooms are brightly decorated, some with balconies offering sea views. Pet friendly and includes breakfast. Room price generally range from 65 to €85 per night. The next one is Hotel Achillean. Located near the port and metro station, Achillean is a budget hotel offering basic amenities for travelers in transit. The rooms are simple but clean and the staff is friendly and helpful. A great option for backpackers or budget-conscious travelers. Price range from 40 to €55 per night. The next one is Pharos One Hotel. This budget-friendly hotel is just 10 minutes from the port and offers comfortable rooms with modern bathrooms. It is perfect for solo travelers or short-term visitors. Breakfast is served daily and the area is filled with cafes and local shops. Rate range from €50 to €70 per night. The next one is Hotel Naufara, a centrally located mid-range hotel close to the municipal theater and public transport. The rooms are neat and the staff is known for their helpful service. Great for both business and leisure. Expect to pay around 60 to €80 per night. The second last is Hotel Ideal. This modern hotel offers cozy rooms with a minimalist design. Located just a short walk from the ferry dock and nightlife, it is perfect for young couples and travelers exploring the city. Breakfast is available. Room rates are usually between 55 to €75 per night. The last one is Poseidonio Hotel. Located near the marina, this hotel features comfortable rooms with balconies and city or sea view. It has a bar and 24 hours reception, making it convenient for late arrivals. A very good value for money option with rates around 70 to €90 per night. Whether you are in Piraeus for a night before a ferry or for a longer urban stay, these top Hotels offer great access to the port, local dining, and Athenian charm. Each hotel balances convenience, comfort, and affordability, perfect for your journey across Greece.